Welcome to another tutorial of VN Video Editor, in which we are going to remove the green screen from the clip and then add another background to it. So first of all, you have to import the green screen clip, as I have imported right now. And the one thing that you might notice that when your clip is in the fourth layer, which is the bottommost layer of the videos, you don't find a chroma key option. So first we have to bring that clip to the third layer. For that we have to choose the clip and click on forward button, which is in the bottom rightmost, and it will bring the video to the third layer, and the fourth layer will only comprise of the black screen. You can replace the black screen with the background that you want to add after deleting the green screen. So I will add a brick wall behind that video. I thought it might be suitable, and let's just add it. So I will crop that wall and make it 16:9 because that fits the YouTube exactly. And I will do the same for our green screen video. And after that I will go to the options, make sure that green screen video is selected. Now I will look in the options and I will have a chroma key effect. Click on that chroma key effect and drag that color picker to green screen, and now you can see the green screen has gone. This is simple, and now you have to play with intensity. If you feel there are little outlines with your object or your character. And now after that we're gonna do a color grading on this thing so that it looks a bit more realistic and a bit more better. If you want to skip that color grading step and want to just see the outcome, then you can skip the video and go to the end of the video. Here I will show you the output of my editing project. Now I will choose the filter for the character, but that was a really bad idea because that ruined the character. So I thought that applying filter would not work well on that. So after that I undo the filter that I have applied on that character, that woman, and then I went to adjust the video manually. So I will choose that woman, and now I will go to filters, and then I will go to adjust, and I will just play with these options and make it at the place where it looks better. So I will increase the exposure, I will increase or decrease, increase the contrast and decrease the brightness. It looks right here. And now I will also leave the saturation as it was, increase the vibrance, and leave the temperature as it was before because it doesn't have a very nice impact. And not gonna use this option as well. Gonna sharpen the image a little bit so it looks more better. So it's on good and 20. Not gonna adjust this thing because it will ruin the whole design. And gonna increase the highlights to about 14% and gonna increase the shadows as well. So it's like 40. So now our design is almost ready. Now you can see there is very little or invisible outline, and we have made it well and first we removed the green background, and now we have adjusted the colors, we can say we have color graded the video. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. Oh sorry, I just forgot to show you the edited clip, and so don't forget to subscribe and watch that edited clip and like the video. Thanks for watching.